Dahil nasa labas pa ang amo ko, nasa meeting, magmumukbang muna ako. Marami akong foods eh. Say hello each and everyone. Sir, Hamdan, Iyad, Naip, come.
Yes.
Can you say hi to my fans?
What?
Fans.
Ah, your fans.
Yeah, please.
Where is it? Where is it?
Yeah, just say hi. Oh my God. Need to show your face.
Hi.
This is
how
my
are you?
supervisor. This is Mr. Ian. Say hi.
Hi.
Say
how
hello
are
to
you?
them. They're watching from the Philippines.
Oh. It's
Hello.
live.
He's my supervisor. He's very
Hi.
kind.
How are you? I am Naif Abu Hamid from
And,
Saudi Arabia.
and he's from Saudi Arabia. And see, Saudi people from Saudi Arabia are so kind. So if some people will tell you otherwise, that's not true. People in Saudi are so kind and congenial and friendly and loving. That's all I want you to know.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. حياك الله.
They're so friendly. It's not true that they are snob and not supporting. I'm eating falafel. It's so delicious. It's made of vegetables, with eggs, with beans, with fried chips, fried potatoes. My boss still in the meeting up to 12 noon. So I have ample of time. Sir! So sane. I'm asking my best friend is from Saudi to support me. I'm calling him right now. He looks like a prince. Hi. Shout out. I'm eating my breakfast and I have a lot of foods. All is given to me in the office. It's so delicious. Sir, sir, I need you to support me. Please, just say hi on my live. It's my best friend, Mr. Hussein Alyami. Say hi.
Hi everybody.
It's my best friend. I call him Prince, and
This
he's
is
my best friend.
This is my king.
And people from Saudi Arabia are very kind. See, this is how
Thank
they
you.
look like. Sir, say hi. Do not.
Yeah, hi. Hi everyone.
Do not partially show yourself.
I'm so happy to participate with my king. I hope.
You look like a prince, man.
Thank you.
Very rich, very kind, very generous, and very humble.
Thank you.
People in Saudi Arabia
Thank you so much, my brother.
are so
I appreciate it. You with
loving,
us.
congenial, friendly, and very smart.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Say hi. Goodbye to them.
Bye bye.
Masalam.
I have to go. I have work.
Yeah, he's very busy. I'm disturbing him. But you know, this is the way, you know, that people supports me here in this region, in this office. You know, people are so friendly, congenial, and they're so nice to everyone. And there's a bad notion about Saudi Arabia. That's not true, because I'm staying here for the past 30 years and people are so kind and so supportive. And sir, I'm calling each and every one of them, but they're so busy. Hi Jason. It's so delicious, the food. Sir, come. But, Sir Mubarak, it's like calling a cat. Actually, I'm working on weekends. Yeah. So tonight I'm planning to see my best friend. I have a good night's sleep last night. I also already done my laundry. Yeah, and I was like washing my clothes last night and I suddenly felt asleep. I slept and I woke up like around 8 o'clock in the morning and my laundry is not yet finished. I just continued it in the morning. That's what I'm doing now. I have a good night's sleep. And there's one guy here, his name is Muhammad Al-Jubaili. He's very kind. I call him Abu Ocean. So cute. He looked like Dennis Trillo, but where exactly he is right now, I'm waving on him. I hope that he will show his face on my live, you know. I really appreciate when people support me on my live. Yeah, then last night I went along King Fahad Road. I was so tired because I stayed here. Sir!
Yes, I have a meeting.
Okay.
Can I come afterwards?
No problem.
Thank you.
Surely. He's busy. He has a meeting now, so no problem. Actually, I'm not yet started anything. Not yet started anything. Not yet start. Not yet start anything about my work today. There are a lot to discuss with my boss, but later he's outside on a meeting now for like 1.5 hours. I still have time to relax. I'm going to eat my food because when they started to be here, they started to call Ronnie and they started to, you know, ask a lot of things about me all at once. So while while I'm alone, I'm just enjoying myself. Because I'm a workaholic kind of person, but when people started to call on me, like I have a high energy now, they'll start to drain my energy because they started to ask a lot of things for me to undertake. It's part of my job. Hamdan, can you say hi to my friends? Just say hi. I really appreciate. Please. Just oh, that's Hamdan. He's a kinda shy, you know. He's very cute. If I could show him on my live and Ali Al Jubaili. They're waving. Mubarak. Can you say hi to my friends? Yes.
Where?
Come here.
Where is?
Just like this is this Mubarak. Yeah.
Hi.
He's from Saudi Arabia. I'm always telling that people from Saudi Arabia are kind, friendly, congenial, and very loving and hospitable. I'm staying here in Saudi Arabia for 30 years, and all the things that you hear bad about Saudi Arabia, not all of them are totally true. Maybe some of them are bad, but not totally bad. So I'm Ronnie. I'm the ambassador to Saudi
And
Arabia.
by the way, he's my best friend.
Yeah, see?
Thank you.
Just say bye to them.
Bye.
Mubarak al-Dosari. Okay? Yeah. Actually, they are not trying to show their faces, you know, but I'm their friend, you know. If you are a friend with people, they're not shy to be with you, or they are not ashamed to be with you because they knew that you're a good person, and they know that they trust you and you trust them. I can even go to their houses and I will not felt any harm to befall upon me, you know, because I trust them with my life. I'm going with some Saudi's family, and they let me in to have food with them and take photography with them, and I'm safely. And I exactly knew how the people in this region, they're so kind, they're so congenial, they're so hospitable. They will prepare a lot of things for you. No, and actually I'm more comfortable with them because they're so natural. They're not like our nationality. They are like, in our nationality, sometimes they try to upsell, or they are trying to be overly do it. But them it's normal. It's very congenial. Like they will offer you food. You can take as much food as you can, you know, without any marites like saying like, oh, this Ronnie, he eats too much food and he has a takeout or anything like that. They don't have side comment, and they're so congenial, and I'm grateful with my Saudi bosses and other nationalities like Egyptians, Jordanians, there's Sri Lankans. I have a lot of friends from Nepal, from India. Yeah. Shout out to Ate Karen, my beautiful and bubbly Ate Karen from my church, Loremi from Life Sector. I develop a gas because I'm eating beans. I'm trying to close my door. So I have a me time for 1.5 hours because my boss is not here. I'm now enclosed like in an aquarium studio, and I can't hear anything now because all of them are shut out from outside. So now I'm eating. I'm just devouring my food, but it's not allowed to talk when you're eating. That's why I'm developing some gas. But what can I do? I'm on my blog. So yeah. So I am also planning to do ting ting tang with some people, some Egyptian and some Saudis. But I'm really trying to convince them I'm going to do ting ting tang. I'm always having that idea because I want to do viral viral video, if I'm going to make some Saudis like my supervisors and my best friends from Egypt to join me, to support me, to do ting 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 tang. Last night I was so tired, and yeah, when I am tired, it also affects my mood. You know, sometimes people are telling that, oh, you're a snob, you're a jerk, like you have a bad attitude. No, it's not. I'm just so tired. You know, when people started to see me on the street and they're starting to call on me, they get so familiar with me, like, take my photo, do this thing for me, do it like this. No, just say no. I just say like no. I just go ahead. I just don't want to stop or do anything else. I just don't want to take people's photograph. I just what do you call this? Engage, like totally engrossed with what I'm doing. Last night I'm taking video and photos of some establishment on the streets or in the streets of Alcobar. Like, I'm totally unmindful of people, like they're saying, oh, did you take my video or did you take my photo? I don't feel like explaining and talking with people last night because I was like so tired. I just want to feel relaxed, take some footages, and I assemble it at home. Then upon reaching my abode, my room, I was so like relaxed. Sometimes, you know, you just have to be doing what you have to be doing, you know, unmindful of people want you to do, like be with them like that. You know, people are so taxing and so tiring anyway. They will include you in their activities, you know, without them asking if you're really tired, or, you know, sometimes you have to be with yourself, you know, to detox, you know. Like here in the office, it's like I'm busy all the time, but you have to detox yourself. Otherwise, when you go home, you will be so stressed, so tired, and yeah, I exactly know, you know, what I'm going to be feeling each day, you know. It's like a toxic feeling. Then there's one nice place along King Fahad Road at 7th Street in King Fahad Road, Alcobar. Oh, they're so nice. They're like giving me free juices. Like whenever I approach the shop, they continually offer me like juices. Like last night they offered me mango juice. Oh, it was so refreshing. I was like, all my tiredness are gone. Then I went to my falafel boys on the 7th Street of King Fahad Road, and they are so like sad when they see me that I'm so tired. Like, oh, you look so tired, like that, as if I'm their babies. I'm their baby, you know. They're like half of my age, like they're 21, 24, like that, and they're so concerned about me. Like they're calling me like Yamu, calling me like uncle. Like I'm so touched, you know. So I'm so tired, but I took their photo and a little footage of them, and they're waving their hand and support for my channel, you know. I still have to do it anyway, even if I'm tired. I still have to do my vlogging because this is what makes me happy. And vlogging is something not about getting monetized or getting, you know, able to finish your monetization quickly, but it's not. Sir Justin, can you say hi to my friend? Just say hi. Just wave your hand. I would like to introduce you, Mr. Jassim Sehat. He's from Saudi.
Hi.
He's very nice. You have to show your face.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's very kind. He's from Saudi.
He's the big boss
Yeah,
for
he's
us.
like friendly, congenial. I'm not the boss.
You are the boss.
I'm the OIC.
No, you are the boss.
Okay.
I need a new keyboard.
Keyboard?
Yeah.
Do you want wireless? Are you entitled for wireless?
No wireless.
Order it from Jira. I'm going to make follow up. You know Jira?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have to order it through Jira.
Yes.
Okay.
If you want, I can order it for you.
If I order it, I will give you only the request number. Okay?
Yes,
Thank you.
surely. Yeah, they are my supervisors, and I don't know. Sometimes there are so like I have some jobs to do now. I need to call some managers who are applying, and they told me that you should be like not so nice and you should be like not so friendly with them. But I'm friendly. What can I do? I cannot just be what they're telling me. Not I am, you know. When I'm calling each and every applicants, I want them to feel welcome. And some of the applicants, even they did not join the company, they became my best friends. I'm seeing them outside. I'm taking coffee with them, and they're grateful, you know, that I able to introduce myself. And some of them works in a big company, and they knew that I'm with Taunia Insurance, and they are happy that they knew me because I'm very supportive. And some of the applicants are really intelligent, and I really like them, you know, the way they see things. It gives me a fresh perspective about life, you know, because they are like 30 generation younger than me, or 20, 25 years younger than me. Say hello to Ate Karen Manuelas, my bubbly sister from Laramie, and my best friend from Audelia. I will continue eating these because I'm totally with my vlog. As hello to Kuya Carlo Masoy. He's from Iloilo, I think. He's from Iloilo, Longo. He's generous, he's funny, he looks like Dennis Trillo, and he's watching right now. I hope that hope to see you again, you and Wins. And hello, shout out to Carlo Masoy. And I hope that I can take the photo of your basketball game along with your friends, Kuya Oliver and all the people. And yeah, I'm doing vlogging now daily, and please continue to support my channel, Alcobar Street Photographer, and my personal Facebook as a digital creator, Simpronio Medinilla. And everyone are welcome to make comment, to make thumbs up or thumbs down. Do not give me thumbs down, that's way too much. Make comment so that I can continue to improve myself on my channel, and may able to continue to support each and Ali. This is Mr. Ali. I like him so much. He's my favorite. I call him Abu Ocean. Say hello to my friends.
Hi,
Mr. Ali is so
friends,
handsome, so
Ronnie.
kind. He's my best friend. I call him Abu Ocean. He's Mr. Ali Jabili. Say hi. He has a cat.
Yeah.
We are both cat lovers.
No, I have two now.
Say hello to them.
Hi.
That's Ali Jabili. He's the
Hi.
sweetest guy here.
I hope you have a good weekend today.
Yeah, he's the sweetest guy. If I want sweetness in my life, I will always call him. Yes.
Thank you,
Yes.
Ronnie.
They are my so-called set of friends.
Thank you,
They're so
Ronnie.
important to me.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, Habibi. You know, I'm very close to people, and when I say I'm very close to people, I literally come to them, like hug them, like holding their shoulders on their seats, totally coming to them, like, oh, totally going to engage in small conversation. There's another one, Badr Koder. It's very nice, but so busy now. I don't want to disturb him because he's with the supervisor. Abu Hassan, I don't want him to be apprehended because of me. So when he will come later, he looks like Robert De Niro. Yeah, this guy is so cute. You know, these Saudis are so cute. I consider them like my nephew, my Saudi nephews, and they knew they are totally cool about that. Some Saudi ladies, I consider them like my own nieces. You know, they're talking to me, they're giving me foods. And they're so sweet. Even I couldn't forget on my birthday this year, they brought a cake. They bought a lot of pizzas, and they even sang happy birthday for me. I wish that I have recorded that. They're so grateful, you know, that I'm able to be working with them. So like that. So shout out to my friend Habibur Rahman, Habib, the boss, you know. If you want good mobile, either brand new or second hand, please visit my friend's shop, Mr. Habibur Rahman. He has the, what you call this, mashallah, beautiful eyes, from Bangladesh. A true gentleman, a genuine person, a good friend, and that's my Saudi sisters. I cannot show them on the phone right now. I'm doing this live because my boss is not yet here, so he'll be coming around 12 noon, maybe 12:30. Then Mr. Habibur has a mobile shop in front of Ramania Gate 4. Look for Mr. Habibur. Be sure to visit his shop. He has one of the best prices to offer, and good discount and good service. If you needed anything like to put screen protector, to exchange your old mobile and to purchase a new one, go to Mr. Habibur's shop. He has a mobile repair and he's from Bangladesh. He's very kind, very congenial, and a generous friend of mine. And be sure to come and visit him. I highly recommend and introduce him. I highly recommend and yeah, is this the correct English? I highly recommended him for you to visit. He will always find a lot of value for your money, and he will always be there to support you with your mobile needs. And that's all for now. I think I need to start my work because I started to scribble my work, things that I have to do for today from last night. The things that I need to undertake, like sets of meetings and a lot of reorganization, and I'm going to do a lot of brainstorming with some people that my boss discussed with me. And I have a meeting from 12 to 1. Oh, this will be a lot. I don't even wear good clothes. Sometimes, in life, clothes are secondary. I can wear good clothes, but what's inside your mind and inside your heart is more important than the fancy clothes you wear, like the expensive Gucci bag. I'd rather have a modest clothing rather than having a poor relationship with people. So I can always change clothes. I can always, put perfume to make me smells good. But if you have a bad attitude is like a flat tire. It brings you nowhere. Abi, come. By the way, I would like to introduce you to my best friend. He's very, very kind. I love this guy, like my best friend. This is for Badr Malki. He's Abi. He's from Zamboanga. Say hi to my friends.
Hello, how are you?
Abi is a Filipino.
I'm a Filipino.
By the way, he's very intelligent. I'm so proud of him because he joined last year and he's very smart. And he can do all the things that he needed to do.
Nice word.
Yes, and he always gives me a lot of foods, cooking for me a lot of foods that I even deserve more than I should. And Abi, I'm so grateful. He even supported me with my blog. He's from Zamboanga. Abi Handi. Say hello.
Hello.
Abi. Don't forget him. He's the nicest guy. Thanks, Abi. Yes. Abi, can you let him sign here? Thank you. Abi is my assistant. What do you call this? Assistant. But I consider him like a colleague. I don't treat myself like, oh, I'm higher than him. I'm a supervisor or anything whatsoever. At the end of the day, it's just a title. If he's busy and he's doing a lot, I'm going to do it. Like I'm doing blog now and I'm sitting at the moment. I requested him to do it because I think he's not so busy at the moment. I'm developing gas now. Anyhow, this is Ronnie. I'm so excited. I have a lot of things to do. I'm not yet drinking any coffee or tea at the moment. I'm going to drink coffee. I don't want, maybe I will palpitate, maybe some tea. And that's all for now. I already shown you some of my Saudi colleagues and some of my Jordanian friends. And there's one Egyptian here. I hope that I can show his face. And I really miss a lot of my friends at the 7th Street. I wish that I could have more time with them during this weekend. Abu Hussein Sohail from the barber shop, and Abu Badr. His name is Fauzi. They're really my best friend. And if I'm going to 7th Street, King Fahad, I need to visit them. And the Shawarma boy, Saeed from Syria, they're so nice, you know. If people are so nice, you should be visiting them often. And restaurant Buakdar, paper for interview. I'm asking my supervisor, Miss Dalal, because there will be an interview. I needed to get the paper. So I'll be running around. I'll be starting to go. And hello to Mr. Fawad Muhammad. Thank you for watching. And that's all for now.
Riyadh, huh?
He received it?
No, you already said.
Wait, can you give it to me? This will be sent to Riyadh?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Next from
If James come, remind me, I need to give this to James. Hi, Miss Aya.
Yeah.
How can I help you, ma'am?
I need notes for that.
Yes. One note?
No, this is Haya.
One note. Abi, do we still have notebook?
I don't think so.
We need to order.
Also, we need pencils. We don't have
Pencil. I will give you pencil, ma'am. Pencil, I'm hiding the pencil on the cupboard. Because now I really find it strange, you know, every pencil and battery. I'm going to tell to them that it should not be go to Jira, because these are petty items. Our managers going to order pencil for themselves and ball pen. Right? Managers are so busy to order stationery. Yeah. They are all managers here. Because the company has a lot of new policies that they are implementing. Anyhow, I'm bubbling and talking, and my supervisor is roaming outside, maybe seeing me right now doing something else. That's all for now. This is Ronnie, your Alcobar Street photographer, and thank you for continually supporting my channel, Alcobar Street Photographer, on YouTube, and my Facebook, Simpronio Medinilla. I'm already on, what do you call this? As a digital creator. Sending to Riyadh?
No. For Mama Haya.
Okay. Ma'am Haya is on vacation. I need to give that to Mr. Sarad.
Okay.
Yeah. So, I call this my personal Facebook page. Is it? It's my Facebook that's already, they call it professional mode. Name is Simpronio Medinilla. I'm not changing that. So I uploaded some reels. Please continue to support my Facebook pages. I have one Positive Thinking and Simpronio Medinilla. That's my professional mode. And my YouTube, Alcobar Street Photographer. You'll see a lot of insightful videos about Saudi Arabia and a lot of photography. A lot of photography matters, and I'll be looking forward, because Ramadan is fast approaching. I'll started to do some tutorials, and that's all for now. This is Ronnie, your Alcobar Street photographer. Now, signing off. Thank you. Love you all, guys. Thank you for continually watching me and supporting my channel, and thank you for your appreciation that I continue to be confident, and for your comments so that I continually improve myself and to share better content on my YouTube and Facebook professional mode. God bless one and all.